Power, push, traction. How does a pump get from 0 to 1? See the generating power. We like to develop in accordance with the constantly renewing industrial dynamics of the world. This is our internationally registered R&D center. This center meets the special design and engineering demands of our customers in pump production. Our simulation application tests and validates our proficiency. Thanks to the integration of our production part with ERP and MES systems, we perform a safer and more sustainable production and take advantage from the power of the production engineering. Our engineers get the first output about products by analyzing each one of them. Every analysis is scrutinized in fine detail. We are excited to add a new one to the constantly developing pump technologies of the world. We are constantly developing renewable pump technologies while being environmentally friendly according to the climatic conditions of different countries and the expectations of manufacturers and consumers.